Alright, so if you remember, Realme 6 was launched at 12,999, but because of the increase in GST rate and dollar to INR conversion rate, it now starts at 14,999. And once again, Realme has that price gap of 12 to 14,000 rupees to fill. And for that, they are launching this Realme 6i, which is more or less same like the Realme 6. So in this video, let's quickly unbox this device and take a look at it. And at the end of the video, I will tell what are the differences between the Realme 6i and the Realme 6. So without wasting any further time, my name is Saurabh Nahar. You're watching All About Technologies. Let's begin. Alright, so first let's start with the unboxing. Realme 6i comes in the standard yellow box that you get to see with most of the Realme smartphones. So nothing special here. Now at the rear side, some specs are highlighted, which says 90Hz display, Helio G90T processor, 48 megapixel quad camera setup, and so on. Now the price mentioned on the box was 14,999, but obviously it will go on sale for less than that. So check out the description box. Now opening up the box, first you get this packet, which includes pin to remove the SIM tray slot. A TPU case is also included here, so that's nice. And lastly, you get some documentations in this particular packet. Now next you get the Realme 6i, which looks more or less like the Realme 6, and I will get to that in a bit. Lastly, you get a 20-watt charger with a USB to USB Type-C cable. And that's pretty much it from the box. Now if you keep the Realme 6 and the 6i side by side, both look exactly the same in terms of design and build quality. Like both the devices are the same, except for one difference, that is color. With the Realme 6i you will get this color as well as white color is what I've been told. I'm not sure, I have not seen it personally, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, apart from that, both the devices are very similar. And one small thing that I have noticed with the Realme 6i is that it feels a bit hollow in the centers for some reason, I don't know. But yeah, on the Realme 6 it is sturdy, like I can feel that. So that is the only small difference that I have noticed, nothing major. And yeah, in terms of build quality, both the devices are decent in terms of build quality. Both the devices are mainly made out of plastic, so yeah, you can't really complain at this price point. Now coming onto the ports, you have USB Type-C port at the bottom along with headphone jack, microphone and the speaker grill. SIM tray is located on the left side and it does accept 2 SIM card and 1 SD card at the same time. Even the volume control keys are located on the left side and they feel decent at best. Now what I really like here is this side mounted fingerprint scanner, as it works perfectly fine and it is placed at a perfect position, so no complaints with that, and it is definitely better than the rear mounted fingerprint scanner. And apart from that, the face unlock also works perfectly fine. It is fast, like very fast, so no complaints with that as well. Now coming on to the specs, Realme 6i comes with MediaTek G90T processor, Mali G76 GPU, 4 or 6 GB of RAM with only 64 GB storage option. There's no 128 GB storage option with the Realme 6. So in terms of performance, it should perform just like the Realme 6. Now in terms of PUBG, you can expect some decent performance here, and you get smooth and ultra option on the Realme 6i. I will try to post a dedicated gaming review of the Realme 6i, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I post that video. Now talking about the display, it comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD display with 90Hz refresh rate. Now I'm not sure which Corning Gorilla Glass is being used here, but there is a Corning Gorilla Glass on this device. The 90Hz display does make the overall user experience a bit smooth. That said, it might consume a little more battery, so you can either opt for auto mode or you can switch between 90Hz and 60Hz whenever you want. Speaking of battery, the Realme 6i comes with 4300 mAh of battery, which should easily last for a day at least. But I would have liked a 5000 mAh or 6000 mAh battery on this device. But yeah, that's how it is on the Realme 6i for now. Now, if we talk about the charging speeds, it takes about 55 minutes to charge the Realme 6i from 0 to 100% with the 30-watt charger, not the 20-watt charger that you get in the box. So keep a note of that. In terms of software, it comes with Android 10 based on Realme UI 1.0, and it comes with June security patch, so that's nice. Finally, talking about the camera setup, it comes with 4 cameras, of which the primary camera is a 48 megapixel one with f1.8 aperture. Next is an ultra wide camera with f2.3 aperture, 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel black and white portrait camera. Moving on to the front, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera just like the Realme 6 with f2.0 aperture. Now here are some of the sample pictures that I've shot with the Realme 6i. Take a look at them and let me know what you feel about them in the comment section. So finally, here is my opinion. There are two major differences between the Realme 6i and the Realme 6. First is of camera. You get 48 megapixel primary camera on the Realme 6i compared to 64 megapixel camera on the Realme 6. And the second major difference is of charger. You just get 20 watt charger with the Realme 6i, and with the Realme 6 obviously you get 30 watt fast charger. Even this is the first fast charger, but yeah, that is even faster. So that is the only difference between both the devices. Apart from that, everything is pretty much the same between both the devices. Now, if you compare the Realme 6i with the Redmi Note 9, then I feel you get slightly better processor. You get G90T compared to the G85 on the Redmi Note 9. And not just that, you get 90Hz display on the Realme 6i. So yeah, I mean, if Realme keeps the pricing of the Realme 6i at around 12 or 13,000 rupees, then I feel that would be a fair enough price. And at that price, obviously the specifications are slightly better on the Realme 6i. So yeah, these are my opinions on the Realme 6i. What do you guys feel about the Realme 6i and the Redmi Note 9? Let me know that in the comment section. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a thumbs up. I will come up with more videos on both the devices, which is Redmi Note 9 and Realme 6i. So stay tuned for that. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I post those videos. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more updates, and do check out the pricing and links to buy the Realme 6i or Redmi Note 9, whatever you like, in the comment section, in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.